Oh, hey, come on in. Today, we are making the best baked squash you will ever have. Let's do it. Hello, everybody. It's Katie here, and welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to Come On In. Today, we are making an amazing squash recipe. It is both savory and it's both sweet. Your taste buds are gonna be obsessed with it, and it's so easy. So let's get right into it. I am first just in the middle right here of cutting up some acorn squash. Now, I know there's so many different types of squash out there on the market, but you are gonna be using an acorn squash. Now, I know this is not actually the way usually you cut an acorn squash is with the seams right here, but I like it when these rings are on the outside just like this. So it takes a little bit more effort, but you're just gonna want to take out the seeds on the inside of each ring. So the finished product should look like this, little cute squash rings. And I'm just gonna line them on a baking sheet. Little bit of olive oil spray. I know we have a lot of other ingredients over here for all the flavoring, but we're first just gonna bake these on up. Excuse me, girlfriend. Excuse me. All right, let's check back in 20. Already smells so good, and literally nothing's even on it yet. Perfection. Okay, now the next step to making this squash delectable is adding all the good ingredients. So, first up, I have some brie cheese, which is a favorite during this time of year. So I'm just gonna slice up this brie right here. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna take a brie slice, I'm gonna put it in each of the rings. Next up, I'm just gonna toss some cinnamon on top. Ooh, look at that. Gorge. A little bit of sea salt. And then we got the rest of the toppings. So we have some walnuts right here. I love toasting up these walnuts on top because it becomes such good flavor and add a really nice crunch as well. We got some dried cranberries, which I again love this time of year. Add great texture on top. We have some fresh rosemary that I'm just gonna toss on there. I'm gonna chop some of this up. Some fresh rosemary. I mean, this is looking like so festive. Holiday vibes to the max. And last but not least, I'm just gonna toss in a tiny bit of maple syrup to top. Little drizzle. Toppings done. Now let's toss this squash back in the oven so that brie can melt up, everything gets nice and toasty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm freaking out. This is gonna be your new go-to holiday side dish. And of course, as a side dish, I'm just gonna plate it. Look at that. Wow. Ready? This is like the best delicate squash ever. I'm so excited to try this. It smells insane. The brie, the rosemary, the cranberries, and yes, you can eat the squash skin as well. It is a perfect, savory, sweet, all the things, festive holiday bite. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. The cranberry on top, the walnuts, the maple. Millie, it is so freaking good. If you are looking for a holiday side dish, look no further. You have to make this. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. All right, you guys. This recipe will be up on the app, and in about 15 minutes when Lane comes out here, we're gonna probably be eating all of this. So I will see you guys next time here on Coming In. Make sure you guys try it. You're gonna love it.